In this video, we are going to show you how to set up routing rules in Zendesk. Now, once you've logged into your account and you are in your dashboard, you want to click on the support tab here that has a drop down on the upper left corner like so. This pop-up will appear. Click on Admin Center here, and it's going to open a new tab on your browser. It's going to bring you to this, right? So once you're here, look towards your left-hand side again and hover your mouse until you see Objects and Rules. Click on it. These new options will appear. So you want to scroll down until you see omni-channel routing. And then on the very first option, it says routing and configuration. You want to click on routing configuration like so. Wait for it to load. And here, you can actually just manage your settings here. By default, you're going to have initial routing configuration, right? So this is pretty much how you set up your routing. And you want to click on edit. If this is not to your liking, you can actually edit your default configuration for your routing. Click on edit. So here, again, you can actually just check anything, uncheck anything, and just make it as so it's, in your liking when it comes to your routing rules here on this specific configuration. After that, click save, and you will be good to go. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.